Last time I made a video on how to get a backlink from Tumblr. This time we're covering how to get a DoFollow backlink from Reddit. I'm gonna keep this video short and sweet. Go ahead and pop open the reddit.com on your favorite browser. You can't just post on Reddit, you're gonna need to have an account. If you already don't have one, go ahead and create one. Once you have your account created, go into the Reddit's search bar to find subreddits related to your niche. For example, I'm trying to get a backlink for one of the hair growth oil companies I'm working on. Into the search bar here, I'm going to type hair growth and then see what pops up. Here, subreddit r, basically r/hair growth lab, is a perfect place where I can post my article and get a DoFollow link from. It has 128 members. Group doesn't look that active, which means moderation will not be taking down our posts. If you're on the computer, go ahead and click this button right here to make a post. If you're on the mobile device, click the plus button on your phone to make a post. So this is where you enter your article title. In the body square box here, you're gonna wanna type up your article or paste it from Google Docs or whatever Word document that you're writing your article on. And I just finished writing my article. So my focus keyword in this article is hair growth oil. And that is because I'm trying to rank the homepage of this website for hair growth oil. After that's basically linked in there, we're gonna go ahead and click post. And boom, the article is posted. Congratulations, now you know how to get a DoFollow backlink from Reddit leading back to your website. So why should you get a backlink from Reddit? First reason is that Reddit actually does allow you to get a DoFollow backlink, which basically means that link that you're getting back to your website, it lets search engines know to pass the authority over to your website from Reddit. So that is the main key benefit. If you don't know what backlinks are or have an in-depth understanding of backlinks and how they work, I actually put a separate dedicated video on this topic specifically, which you can find linked in the description below. Number two is that Reddit's domain authority score is 92. What that means is that this measurement is conducted from 0 to 100, 100 being the most authoritative website in Google's search engine. So higher the score is of the website that you're actually getting the backlink from, more valuable that backlink will be to your website. It will pass more search engine juice back to your website, tremendously boosting your rankings. Reason number three is if you're actually posting a value content on these subreddits, people actually trust some of these niche groups that are well moderated, and they trust Reddit in general as a brand. You can actually generate a targeted traffic leading back to your website, ultimately committing some sort of an action. Call you, email you, fill up their information into your funnel, or ultimately actually purchasing your product or services. So folks, don't post crap. Post something that can benefit users in your niche that are consuming this information, so that you can actually develop yourself as a reputable and authoritative brand in your industry. Here's the bonus tip. It's best you get multiple backlinks, publishing multiple different articles across different subreddits. Each of these subreddits are actually indexed on Google and rank for different variations of keywords in your niche. So getting your post published across different subreddits that are indexed on Google will ultimately generate more juice back to your website, leading to better ranking positions. Keep in mind, the lengthier your content is and more value it gives to the search users, Google will rank your article in its search results, and you will maximize the benefits of your backlink coming from Reddit. That's it for today's episode. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and elbow that like button right in the face, and also try to hit that subscribe button. It does work wonders.